welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah from Sarah's Wifestyle, and I have a fun video today. We are packing to go to Disney World, and if you guys don't know, Disney World is in Orlando, Florida, okay? So I'm gonna mention this probably again, but I used to be stationed in Florida. If you guys don't know, I'm an Air Force veteran. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Do it, please. Please be please. So I was stationed at Eglin Air Force Base, and that's by Fort Walton Beach, Destin area. So I have been to Disney World before. However, my husband and my son, they have not been there before. So they will be a first timer for both of them. We're gonna get them little pins and everything. But you guys know I did a bunch of extra stuff, got shirts ordered and everything. It's gonna be a short trip because, to be honest with you guys, we were gonna make it happen in between a business trip. And so we can really only do it for like 2 days. We're gonna be there 3 days. Is it 3 days total? 3 days total, but this is a short Disney trip just to, honestly, we're winging it. I'm not even gonna lie, we're winging it. We're gonna see what happens, but in the summer, we're gonna go back and do like a whole week or something like that. So watch us wing Disneyland or Disney World. So I'm gonna get into this. Oh, let me show you guys the first and most important thing that I am bringing with me to Disney World, and that is this. I am bringing this stroller. I got this off of Amazon like years ago, but we are bringing this because Oliver is unable to walk the whole time, and I do not expect him to. But what I did is, because you guys know we just got back from Vegas, right? If you don't know, go check that vlog out. I have 2 vlogs from Vegas. I have some cleaning to do, guys. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I went ahead and Lysol'd everything. So if there's a sickness or something, I always get it. My immune system is super weak, but it is what it is. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So let's go ahead and get on with this list, and let me show you guys what I got and what I'm taking. Okay, I'm gonna show you some of our toiletries that we are bringing, and I will show you the type of clothing that we're bringing when we get there, but you guys are gonna really like this little haul, I guess, packing list, okay? So of course you gotta bring your shampoo and conditioner. That's kind of boring, right? Your lotion for your skin, because you don't wanna be walking around with dry skin. Have foot cream as well, and the reason why I'm bringing this is because I feel like this is super important to mention to you guys, is because you guys know at Disney World there's gonna be a lot of walking, right? So it's gonna be like essential for you to take care of your feet, make sure that they're moisturized and everything like that. So this is super important, and I'll be putting that on me, Bryce, and Oliver. Some hand cream. I always bring hand cream. It's just good for your hands. Some Johnson & Johnson. This is what I'm using for myself because I will have a spray tan, and Oliver. I brought some Listerine just because I like to use this after I brush my teeth. This is one thing that I ordered from Amazon, and I will have this linked in my Amazon store for you guys. This came in a pack of, I think, like 6, right? And I'm bringing 2 of them with us. This is sanitizer, hand sanitizer spray. So this is super simple, just to spray on Oliver's hand, have him, you know, wash his hands quickly before we eat, and just throughout the day, since Disney World is just crawling, has germs all over the place. Blue Lizard, you guys, listen, this is the best sunscreen ever. If you guys burn easily, this will be your best friend. I've never burned with this before in any other sunscreen. I ain't even gonna lie, you guys, I'm hella fair skinned. I burn so easily, but this right here, this is what you need. This is in my Amazon store as well. It is a little bit pricey, but you guys, it's totally worth it. And the bottle will actually turn blue if there's UVA rays out. So make sure that you are protecting your skin at all times. Put it on your hands and everything. I am bringing some bug spray just because I know Florida has hella bugs, which brings me, let me go ahead and talk about this, a poncho. I purchased this for Oliver just because I know it can rain at any time and I don't want his clothes to get wet. Do I care if mine get wet? No, not at all. But I definitely want him to be comfortable. So I purchased him one of these. We have a bunch of Clorox wipes, okay? And baby wipes, wet ones and everything, because anytime I travel, if I get on a plane, if I get on a bus, if I get into a hotel room, the first thing I do is I wipe everything down. The phones, the remote, the hand knobs. I also like this soap, and if you guys didn't know, Target has these now. Okay, the little cast or Mr. Bronner's, whatever it is. They have these in small packs. I also have some chapstick, you guys, because you don't want your lips to have a bunch of sun damage. Mine do, and I'm not even afraid to tell y'all that. My skin has suffered so much because I did not take care of it when I was younger, and I'm not saying I'm old. I mean, I'm only 30. I'm just saying in my high school years, I did not take care of it. Another thing that I feel is super like essential is this, and I just purchased this and I use this all the time even at home. And if you guys don't know what this is a portable charger. So this is very important to me because I want to make sure that I capture all the moments at Disney World with Oliver and Bryce because it's their first time going. And if my phone is about to die, I can plug it in here. And this was super inexpensive. I think it was like, I don't know, 18 bucks. I don't even know, but it will be in my Amazon shop. I'll make an Amazon shop called Disney Essentials, and definitely purchase this. Even if you're not going to Disney World, get this because it's great to bring to work. It's great if you're going on like a road trip. It's just great to have in general because sometimes if I want to sit on the couch and I don't have a plug there, I could just take this out and bring it over there for me. Ooh, you guys, my favorite thing. One of my favorites is this fanny pack. I don't know where this came from. When I received it from Amazon, it was not there, but I wore it to the park the other day, but I'm not even tripping. Listen, this thing is so cool. So the reason why I got this one is because all of the compartments in it. Okay, so there's a lot of compartments and I don't want to be carrying around a backpack at Disney World. I want something that's just gonna hang on my little waist. What waist, right? AE. And this is perfect. I mean, I feel like I can put chapstick in here, hand sanitizer. I'm gonna be vlogging, so I can have my camera and an extra battery in there. My sunscreen, it will all fit in there. So I'm super excited about that. And of course, here's all of our sunglasses. I'm gonna bring mine too, but I just want everything to be easy. I can't go on like roller coasters because of the way my back is, but I can go on like some of the kids rides with him. But yeah, let me show you guys like the outfits and our Disney shirts and what we have going on. And don't worry, when I'm vlogging and when I come home and stuff, I will let you guys know if I felt like I needed to bring anything else. Okay, you guys, so I have everything laid out. I don't have Bryce's clothes out here. I just have his Disney shirts out here just because I'm not sure about the shorts or whatever that he will want to bring. So it literally always takes Bryce like 5 seconds to pack. If your husband's like that, hit a like button because Bryce is like the easiest person to pack for, but I just want to make sure that he gets the shorts that he wants. So anyways, I'm going to start off with the shoes, you guys. So my friend put me on these shoes and these are the most comfortable shoes I've ever owned. And so I'm letting you know right now, you don't want to wear flip-flops to the park. You want to wear something that is super comfortable, like you're about to run a marathon or you're about to just work out super hard. I have a bad back and these are amazing. So these are super supportive for me. I'm bringing my slides. I actually just got these in. You guys will actually see when I got these in a vlog. And these are just for like the pool, the beach, and just walking around the hotel and stuff like that. So for Oliver, I brought these. These are actually super comfortable, and these for him. So he's gonna have 2 pairs of shoes. He can wear these. Actually, I might throw in a pair of his flip-flops. We have some flip-flops from Old Navy, so I'll bring those 2 just to go down to the pool. And for me, I have 3 pairs of like athletic shorts, and then I have a pair of jean shorts down here that I actually just purchased from Target, and they're super cute. I have 1 pair of pajamas because that's really all I'm gonna need, and I can wear one of these for pajamas or just like wear a shirt. But basically the shirts that I'm bringing are my Disney shirt. If you guys haven't seen these yet, here, I'll show you guys. This, it says Mommy. And then I got this from Target today. I actually got this from Target too. And then I got this from Etsy. This and the red shirt, they're from Etsy. So it says Disney 2020, just because this is their first time and we're all going as a family for the first time in 2020. And then, like I said, my shorts. I'm only bringing 1 bathing suit because that's all I need. Like, I don't need to make a fashion statement going to the pool. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care, but don't get it twisted. I look bomb in this. I'm bringing a few sports bra. Obviously, my underwear down there. Y'all don't need to see that. 2 hats to, you know, keep the sun out of my face and keep my hair out of my face. I'm actually gonna throw 1 more pair of socks, of my Adidas socks in there. I'm not bringing these. I don't even know why those are there. I was just folding laundry. I'm going to bring this heating pad because you guys, my back and Bryce's shoulders, so we just need to bring that for after the park. And you guys may be asking why I'm bringing so many clothes. To me, this is a lot just because we're only gonna be there for like 2 days or 3 days. And that's because if we leave the park like in the afternoon for Ollie's nap and come back, I'm gonna wanna change because I'm probably gonna be, you know, like in the humidity and nasty, and if it rains, wet. So I just wanna have a few pairs of clothes, and I actually did that for Oliver as well. I'm bringing a few protein bars just to take with us to the park, or even in the hotel if I get hungry. This is a healthier option. I am gonna definitely indulge at Disney, but these are just like fillers. Also, because we are like 80-year-olds trapped in 30-year-old bodies, I brought some Tylenol. There's some Excedrin in here, and some Tylenol for Ollie just in case he gets a fever or something. You know, you always want to be prepared. And I also have prescription medications, but I didn't put them in here yet because they have my information on there for obvious reasons. I don't want to put that out there, but I am taking some muscle relaxers just in case, because if you guys haven't seen my last vlog, I got super inflamed on the last plane that we were on, and I definitely needed my muscle relaxers or pain pills, so I just like to keep them with me. And if I don't need them, I don't need them, but it's good to keep them with you. I'm bringing this for Oliver just for the park so that he has a water bottle. I've mentioned these plenty of times on my channel. These are our favorite water bottles for him from Pottery Barn. So for Oliver, I'm bringing 3 sweatshirts. I may cut it down to 2 though, just in case. A sun shirt, because this is actually from Old Navy, because of swimming in the beach. 2 things of swim trunks. Sorry guys, the dryer bell just rang. So I went and I got these jammies from the dryer. These are so cute. These are from Target. So he has 2 pairs of jammies. I'm bringing these because I've mentioned this before. My son is fully potty trained, but at nighttime I like to put these on just in case he happens to have an accident, especially when we're traveling, because I don't want him to pee in a bed at a hotel. You know what I'm saying? So we're bringing 4 of those. And here are his shirts for Disney. He has the same shirts as us. And I picked this up at Target today. Isn't this cute? And yeah, oh, I have a swim cover right here too. But yeah, just a few pairs of shorts, some other shirts. And it's pretty simple, you guys, to be honest with you guys. And by the way, I just opened one of these and these are so bomb. Like, I'm eating it right now. And I added some more socks. But basically, this is what we're taking to Disney, you guys. Super simple. I will let you guys know in another vlog if I felt like I should have taken something else or if I didn't need certain things. But I'm gonna let you guys know, don't even worry, okay? Don't even worry. And of course, we have the My Disney app on our phone. Like I said, we're winging it, but I did make 2 dinner reservations so that we can, you know, eat at good restaurants, because I want all of you to have the whole entire character experience and all that. So again, you guys, thank you so much for finishing this entire video. I really do appreciate the support, you guys. And yeah, you guys, I just put my pin into Google. I've had money just sitting there from AdSense, and they finally sent me my pin. It's been like 6 weeks, so I'm super excited about that as well. But go ahead and hit a like and subscribe, and look forward to more videos from us, you guys. Oh, and don't forget, I am linking everything down below, okay, that I purchased from Amazon. I got you guys. See y'all next time.